In this video, we'll explore a powerful new feature called bulk operations, introduced in the Workspot Control 18.7 release. This feature is a game changer for admins managing large desktop pools, enabling actions such as restart, redeploy, pause, and resume across multiple desktops simultaneously. Let's dive into a demo to see it in action. Prior to this release, performing operations on desktops required admins to handle them one by one using the desktop's action menu. Now, with the Bulk Operations button available on the Manage Cloud Desktop Pool page, admins can perform actions on multiple desktops at once. Initially, the Bulk Operations button is grayed out. It becomes active when two or more desktops are selected. Once enabled, you can see the supported operations and the names of the selected desktops. For this demonstration, we'll begin with an Azure Persistent Desktop Pool, where the available actions include reboot, redeploy, pause, and resume. First, we'll set the idle shutdown setting to disabled. Notice that with this configuration, the pause and resume actions are unavailable in the Bulk Operations window. This ensures consistency between individual desktop controls and bulk operations. Next, we'll initiate a reboot operation for two desktops. After confirming, the operation is successfully applied. Now let's select three desktops for a reboot. However, only one eligible desktop will be rebooted, as indicated in the confirmation message. Eventually, all three desktops complete the reboot process. If we attempt a redeploy operation during the reboot process, a message will indicate that no desktops were redeployed because they were all ineligible at that time. Now let's move to a non-persistent Azure pool. Unlike persistent pools, pause and resume actions are not supported here because non-persistent desktops cannot be paused or resumed. We'll initiate a reboot for two desktops. The operation applies only to desktops in the ready state and skips those in the deallocated state, as they are ineligible. Bulk operations can only be performed on eligible desktops, while ineligible desktops are automatically skipped. For non-persistent pools, the available actions are limited to reboot and redeploy. Next, let's look at a GCP pool. In the Bulk Operations window, the supported actions are reboot, pause, and resume. The redeploy action is unavailable as it isn't supported for GCP. Here, we'll resume all paused desktops. As you can see, all three desktops transition from a pause state back to active. Now for a GCP non-persistent pool, the only supported bulk operation is reboot. Similar to Azure, only desktops in the ready state are eligible, while deallocated desktops are skipped. In summary, the bulk operations feature simplifies and streamlines desktop management by enabling admins to perform actions across multiple desktops simultaneously. The availability of actions depends on the desktop pool type and the eligibility of selected desktops. On the Events page, we can review the admin events to track all the operations performed so far on the pool desktops. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the Bulk Operations feature in Workspot Control 18.7.